Alright you guys, welcome back to the channel. We've had a lot of problems with recordings and not getting them posted, so I'm going to just do this all in one straight clip so that I can just upload it directly and not have to have all the issues that we've been having. We have an interview with the co-founder of K&A, lost somewhere in upload cloudland. We're going to try to get that uploaded for you guys eventually here soon, so you guys will get to meet Keith from K&A Racing. We've also got some videos of some drag racing we did and some other stuff, but I'm going to give you guys kind of a state of the fleet update here and whether we're going to make it to our races. We do have both the Deduct Taped Queen and Icky Vicky entered into the Danger Ranger spectator races and into the big spectator races at the end of the year over at the Freedom Factory. We are hoping that we're going to make an Auburndale race next Saturday the 24th, but things are a little bleak right now in that front, so we have no idea. But here is your update on the state of the fleet. Alright, so the Deduct Taped Queen has had some major changes. You've noticed the AMR 500 is gone. We do have a little surprise that we are trying to figure out how to get onto her, but we don't know if we're gonna get the fabrication done in time, and you know, big things coming. That is a 1400cc supercharger compared to our little 500, so we're going to make the boost finally, and we're going to have some fun. But you know, we took the stock manifold off the car. We've put this header on it, so there's your stock cast iron manifold and stock 1 7/8 exhaust. And oh geez, that's what we got now. We went from 1 7/8 all the way up to 2.5 inch exhaust on the car, so we're going to be letting all of the air out that we are putting in, hopefully with a lot of combustion in the middle of it. We tried to get some new spark plug wires. Stock on the 5SFE is a very minuscule 5mm spark plug wire. We spent a whole bunch of money and bought these beautiful blue 10mm wires, and like a lot of your ex-boyfriends would probably be being said about them, they were about that much too short. So, you know, we'll have to figure out how we can either get our money back or reuse them, but the 10mm ones didn't work. So Deduct Tape Queen is up and running. She is extremely loud and obnoxious right now with that 2.5 inch exhaust, no supercharger noises, and no muffler attached. So she's a bit of a pain in the butt to drive. Icky Vicky. This car is driving us absolutely insane. If you are a Crown Vic nerd and you can help us out, please help us. Okay? The car has stopped working. She will run for about 2 seconds, shut back off. If you spray some Sprago down the throttle body while she is running, she continues to run. We have replaced the crank sensor. We have our cam sensor. We've replaced the fuel pressure sensor. We've changed the spark plugs. We've changed coil packs. We took our tune off of it and put it back on stock. We've jumped the inertia switch. We cannot come up with any solution as to why this thing will not run. So if you know anything about 4.6s and can do some diagnostics with us over the internet, please give us a hand. Right now Icky Vicky is down for the count. We did buy some nice parts for this thing that we were hoping to get installed and get a custom tune done. You can see currently the back seat is deleted. We have to put that back in for Cletus's race, but Jeez, what a mess. All right. Obviously, you can tell I've been working by myself, so I don't have a lot of chance to do anything. But we've got this nice, beautiful aluminum intake that's ready to go in for Icky Vicky. But we can't use it because she's broken. All right. Whee! Out here, you can see the beast. And he is being a beast. He won't start. Crank's over. Got fuel pressure. Got spark. He won't fire. I don't know. Replaced the coil on him. Checked all the spark plugs. Bought new spark plug wires. I don't know. I think our high compression motor needs a better starter is half of the problem. But that's not going. Under here, this is the Forgotten Fox Body project. Because we tore the motor all the way down to a short block. We were ready to do all the work on it. And then, you know, things happen. So it's kind of just been left back there. If you are in the market for some Ranchero parts, we have Ranchero parts. Front clip, 351 front timing cover. It is aluminum, not plastic. You know, we don't have a lot. These are our spare parts to try to get Green Giant looking fresh. We do have a Ford 9-inch. That is for sale. If you need a Ford 9-inch, give us a holler. Out here, though, 77 is just about cooked. We have taken all but the last 3 parts that we need off of it. We got to finish getting the front knuckles and brake system off of it. I'm going to try to use those on Project Donna. Try to get her some disc brakes because 4-wheel drums are a little bit of a pain nowadays. Green Giant's doing great. Gave it a tune-up. It's been my daily recently because my personal vehicle has been loaned out. The Celica has been loaned out because of Vicky going down. So Green Giant and me have been having fun getting back and forth to work. So car is ridiculously slow. 12 seconds 0 to 60 on a 350 horsepower 302. That's what happens when you got 319 rear end gears. I don't know. I got to figure out how to make this thing a little bit more fun to drive. 78 has refused to fire. Refused. Absolutely just big old middle finger at me and James. F you, I am not going to fire. We've got compression, we've got spark, brand new starter, brand new coil, everything that says, you know, squeeze, bang, pop, suck, all that stuff's going on. Just not happening. Ah! So I'm going to have to give in to ask for help with somebody that knows Windsors a lot better than me. Maybe they can help me do some tuning on that little 302 HO and this 351. I don't know. I'm at wit's end. I love working on carbureted motors. I love how easy they are to work on. But with my current schedule and everything, we're not getting anywhere. So James is working a whole lot of hours like I used to, so he hasn't been able to come over. My other helper hand has had some injuries recently, so he hasn't been able to come over. So it's been just me, and I hate working by myself. It drives me insane. I'm always terrified that I'm gonna get crushed, broken, destroyed, or otherwise, and that's just I don't know, a little fear. I don't know, completely unhinged in reality, because I always use nice ramps. I've always got jack stands. I always got tire locks, you know, but it's just the way I operate. I hate working on vehicles alone. But that's the state of the fleet. Deduct Tape Queen is up and running with some new exhaust. Vicky's down. Green Giant's good. 77's about to go bye-bye. 78 won't move. Beast won't move. Fox Body won't go anywhere for a while. I hate cars sometimes. I really do. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing.